95% of traders blow their accounts when they get started, and 90% continue to blow their accounts until they get frustrated, tired, and they finally quit trading. It is not because they are not smart, no. It is because the market is built in a way to trap you. They have you in mind when building the market, so they want to trap you. And you are walking straight into it without knowing every time. Join me in this video as I show you the root cause of it and how to escape from this trap and join the winning 5%. So don't blink. Hello people, welcome to FinSpoke channel, where we break down the world of trading, money and mindset into simple practical lessons for everyday people like you. If you are serious about winning financially, then you are in the right place. Welcome to the family. Smash that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you are the first to get to know whenever I drop a powerful content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with everyone who needs it. Watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, I will show you exactly what to do so you join the winning 5%. Let's get into it. 5 hidden reasons you keep losing. Let's break down these reasons why most traders fail. And if you recognize any of them, don't ignore it. The first reason why most traders fail is the market, what I call the market trap. The market don't move randomly. It moves with structure. And you, as a beginner, you just enter randomly, thinking it's your moment, without knowing that it's a trap and the market will trap you. This is exactly where most new traders lose their first account. Let me explain what I mean. Now, you came to the chart, you glance at it, you think you found an opportunity, and you enter into a trade. The trade, you think the trade will go to your direction, and the trade reverses and go the opposite direction. You want to wait, or you start waiting for the market to reverse back. The thing is that the market will not return back, sometimes hours, sometimes in a day, sometimes in 2 days. The market will not return back to your entry point. And while you are waiting for the market to return back to your entry point, probably to reduce the loss or get to the break-even point, in the process, it blows your account or messes with your psychology. You blow the account. Number 2 reason is your demo account. By default, a demo account is around $10,000 and above. Why practicing with a demo account of $10,000 and above, when in reality, you are not going to fund that amount of money? Demo is a fake money. There is no real connection between the demo account, the money you are seeing in the demo, and the money you are seeing in your real account. Psychology, which is your number 1 monster. So there is no connection. The way you handle demo, no matter how perfect you claim to be, the way you handle demo is quite different from the way you handle your real account. That's why you can see someone that is very successful in trading demo. Give them real accounts, within 48 hours, 72 hours, some 24 hours, the account is gone. So when you are successful in a demo and couldn't manage or handle a real account, what it means is that your strategy works on a fake money and blows account of real money. Now, you started practicing with an amount of money that is far more bigger than what you want to fund your account with. You want to demo with a $10,000 account, when in reality, you want to fund $100. You want to fund $1,000. So It is easy to manage a $1,000 account. If you can build a $1,000 account, if you can manage a $1,000 account, you can manage $100,000, $50,000 account. But if you start by managing or start learning with $100 account, $10,000 account, when you fund that your $100, your $50, your $200, in reality, you won't be able to grow that money. But when you first go to manage or to learn with a bigger account, my dear, I am talking from experience. It will be difficult for you to manage a smaller account. Now, this is it. Your demo is $10,000, for instance. You enter a trade and the trade goes against you and you hit a drawdown of, let's say, $1,000, $750, $500, even at most $2,000. The truth is this: you will be patient to wait for the market to return and probably give you some profit on top. So it doesn't matter if you wait for the whole day, for 2 days for the market to reverse and give you the profit that you are looking for. And when this happens, you think you are winning. The truth is this: the strategy worked on a fake money. So it's possible to work on a fake money and blow the real account. Now, the question you should ask yourself while you are waiting for that market to reverse is, if this is real money that I funded, will I wait this long for this market to reverse? You won't have that patience. Tell yourself the truth. Remember, the demo is about $10,000. Your real account is like $1,000 or $500. And you still carry this stupid attitude when you enter into a wrong trade. Instead of closing that trade and find your way, you still carry this stupid attitude because you think it worked on demo and you bring it into your real account. You just blow that account straight. What do you do? If you want to fund $100 in your real account, find a way and adjust that demo that you want to practice. Bring the amount down to $100. If you want to fund $500, make your demo to be $500. That is when you see sense or reality in what you are doing. The third reason a lot of traders fail is because of greed. This is practical. You enter a trade and boom, the trade give you about $10 profit and reverse. The moment the trade reverse, you've seen this. Instead of you to close that trade and walk away with that $10, you keep telling yourself that the market will still reverse and go back. My question to you is, are you the market maker? Now, you watch the trade, take back the $10 that it gave to you. This is an illustration. It takes back the $10 that it gives to you. You still watch the trade, hit your break-even point. You still keep thinking that the trade will reverse, the price will reverse. It will now enter into loss. Sometimes you don't even use stop loss. Or sometimes when you discover that the thing is about to hit your stop loss, you now go and adjust your stop loss. You are predicting, believing, probably praying that the trade reverses. Now you see that the trade has entered loss. You still keep watching until the loss keep widening. The loss becomes so big that it hurts to forcefully close the trade, or they get the account blown. When from the beginning, the trade or the market gave you $10, which you would have taken quietly and moved. When you want to make a certain amount of money in the market, you should be able to risk or to accept a certain amount of drawdown. That is trading for you. Real traders calculate their risk before they even enter trade. Don't let greed drive you. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and share this video. Reason number 4 why most traders fail is zero foundation. You lack proper knowledge of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, market structure, learning when to trade and when to stay away from the market, even chart pattern. You lack basic foundations in trading. Not trading in trading industry is also trading. That is what I mean by knowing when to stay away from the market. If you do not sit down to learn, understand how these things work, and know how to implement them, I'm afraid you will keep chasing shadows, because what you are doing is jumping into the battlefield with no training. And of course, when you jump into a battlefield without training, you will definitely lose that battle. Sit down and learn. Prioritize knowledge over that money that you want to make fast. It will help you. Number 5 reasons why most traders fail is zero risk management or lack of risk management. When I say no risk management, you have no system, no plan at all, no rules to follow while trading. No stop loss, no take profit. You are risking about 50-60% of your account size in a particular trade, thinking that the trade will hit your profit. That's gambling now, not trading. You want to become a millionaire overnight. Things doesn't work that way in this industry. Nothing happens by chance here. You have to be systematic on every single trade that you place. Your stop loss should be there. Your take profit should be there. Even before you enter that trade, you must see 1 or 2 things. In fact, the trade must meet your confluences before you dive in. There should be reason why you want to take that trade. That's what I mean by meeting your confluences. There must be a reason. You can't just jump into a trade and expect to make money there. At least even if you have like 6 confluences, let the trade that you want to take meet at least 3 or 4. Risk management is what keeps you long in this industry. Secure your capital first, because it is that capital that you secure that will give you the chance or the opportunity to come back the next time in order to trade. I hope you are getting value. Go to the comment section. Tell me the one that you have experienced before in all of this and how you handled it. Now that we've looked at the reasons why most traders fail, how do you handle this? Number 1, learn your technical analysis, learn your fundamental analysis, not just any random strategy. I break these things down in my videos for free. You can watch my videos. Go to the playlist, trading playlist. You see a lot of videos on trading. Watch them. The number 2 thing to do is get knowledge, then implement it. Execution beats intentions. Don't just learn without implementing. Let me tell you one thing. If you keep learning and keep learning and keep learning, you get confused. You learn confusion into your brain. It is a reality. Watch, learn, and apply what works. Number 3 thing to do is to kill greed. Know your take profit and accept your drawdowns in good faith. Close bad trades early and leave good trades to run. Don't cut it. Manage the trade. If you don't know how to manage trade, you can reach out to me. If you get good trade, manage it. If the trade is bad, close it early. A small loss is better than a blown account. The fourth thing to do is stop buying courses from ghost mentors. People that don't even have time to coach you, they just collect your money, dump their videos on you. You go and keep watching the videos where you have questions, you don't even have know who to ask questions, or even when you ask the questions before they respond to you, it will take decades. Stop wasting your money on people that doesn't have your time. They have far outgrown that stage, far. So for you to get their attention, you need to pay heavily to join their VIPs. And as a beginner, that is not really what you need at this point. Except you can afford their VIPs, then go ahead. Everything you need to start and succeed as a trader is embedded in my videos. Just pick the trading playlist, watch them, sit down and watch them. You will get started on a good note and you will come out successfully. I made these videos with you in mind. Start from somewhere. Number 5 thing to do is this: value your time. When you know what you are looking for, where to get what you need, you save time, you save energy, and you avoid mistakes. I am giving you the shortcut I wish I had when I started. If you have ever blown accounts, if you have ever wanted to quit trading, if you are tired of confusion and failure, then this is a wake-up call. You can reach out to me for a one-on-one coaching. You can reach out to me using this email address. Click into my other videos. Go to my playlist, trading playlist. You can watch other videos at your convenience, but go to the trading playlist. I have a lot of videos in there, over 10 videos in there. Sit down and watch them. Watch and rewatch. Learn from them. You can start with how to start trading in 2025. If you don't know where to start, you can start with that one. Sit down, watch them from beginning to end, because a lot of people, their problem is that they don't sit down to watch videos. That place you want to fast forward, that place you want to jump, might be where the information you are looking for is. So pick them, watch them till the end. I take time to make my video because I have you in mind. When you watch them, apply what you've learned, you see your trading life transform. This is how to win and become part of the winning 5%. I am here to help. See you inside till I come your way next time. Peace.